I did these crimes. I'm telling you that.
Hey, it's your boy, the lead attorney.
I did these crimes.
Right?
Shout out to that cartoon.
Oh, no, the video. Guys, somebody made a video and used AV's voice. It was hilarious reading the transcript with AI. I was like, it's your boy. AI is racist. It's your boy. Got real urban on me. All right, and so whoever did that video with AV, I don't know if someone could drop the link. It was hilarious.
Hey, Flesh of the Gods. So shout out to Flesh of the Gods too, who has been really I don't know, not daily coverage, but almost daily coverage content about this case, looking back at different parts of testimony and in-court moments that relate to the things that we're arguing about today. Flesh of the Gods has a great archive of content on the YSL trial, so make sure you check out that channel as well.
But she said I can purge myself, though. No. We're saying two different things. Sorry. Perjury is if you get on the stand and you just say a bold-faced lie. Just something that is just wrong. Say you say, I did something. And all the other times you said, I have not done it. And really, while it's perjury, it's really just an inconsistent statement. Oh, my God. Like if you get on the stand and say, I did X, but in 2015 you said, I never did X, then that is what I'm going to impeach. I'm going to impeach you on everything you said in 2015. Meaning I'm going to say, okay, today you said I did X, but in 2015...
We have a security issue. We need to stop for a minute. If we can stop for a minute, please.
I don't know what was told to you on Friday. I have no reason to want you in prison. You have spent enough time in prison for YSL, period. So why would I want that for you? It doesn't make no sense. I said it to you before, and I will say it to you again in front of all these people. It makes no sense. You just said I'm going to have to stay in jail until the last if you don't testify. Get this part through your head. If you don't testify, that is the only thing that is holding you. That is literally the only thing holding you right now is the fact that you keep saying, I'm not going to testify. Well, you haven't said it today. I'm not testifying. I plead the fifth. If you get up there and I want you to tell the truth, like I said before, if you don't recall certain things, you can say you don't recall. That's fine. I want you to tell the truth. I don't expect you to remember every single detail from 2015. I just don't. No one here does. But what I do expect for you is to answer questions so we can get through this. So you can go home, be with your baby for her birthday, see those dogs deliver their babies, go talk to your nephews, and do all these other things. How you know about my dogs? Because you told me. Okay, what's wrong? I'm stressing at another level, I'm just saying, I'm weak. Man, I'm not playing. I'm dead serious, man. This is what our position is. We do not want him in custody. We want him to tell the truth. We want him to testify. That's what will get him out of jail. And you have to make, if he decides in 2 weeks he wants to testify, then what? And if he wants to stay in jail for 2 weeks, then I don't know why you would want to stay in jail for 2 weeks. I have no idea. He just feels like he's under a lot of pressure right now. Even at the jail, they are you can't give me a house arrest. No, you can go home by taking the stand and testifying. That's what And
come back tomorrow morning.
We keep on saying yet, but there's no crime. We keep on saying yet, I don't know who's really telling you about a crime. There is no crime. You have done nothing wrong except for, so why am I in jail then? Because you aren't testifying. But that ain't nothing wrong. It's not a crime. It's not a crime that you're in civil contempt.
Two things. Because you invoked your privilege after you've been given immunity, that is why you're in custody, because you get out by testifying. So you testify, you get out. And that's why I brought you here early today to just inquire about that. You can remain and hold your position of invoking the fifth or not testifying, but you go back to prison, you go back to jail, because
You can't sentence me? There's no sentence.
There is no sentence. The contempt is compliance. They want your testimony. That is all they want, whatever that may be.
I don't know what it is, Your Honor. You're in jail for failing to testify.
Failing to testify.
Not for nothing else. There is no crime. You ain't done nothing wrong. I don't know if people are telling you what we are going to charge you with. Nothing. We are not charging you. The state charges you. There is nothing we are charging you with. You're only in custody because you have decided not to testify. That's it. Once you decide to testify...
You remember that word you were talking about? Purge? Okay, you can purge right now. Purge. And get yourself out of jail just by testifying.
I can purge and get out of jail?
Yes, just by testifying.
Not perjury.
Purge, meaning you can get out of jail. You can get out of jail, out of custody, just by testifying.
And what about the other one, the other word, perjury?
That's different.
That's different.
That's a different word, okay?
That can get me back in jail? Yes.
Well, perjury is
It's not what you are saying it's not what you were saying is not perjury. What you are saying is what we call a prior inconsistent statement. Your example that you gave me, what if I said I did something and I know you didn't do it and you said before you didn't do it? That's not perjury. That's a prior inconsistent statement. You've got to make a decision. So if he starts testifying today, he's going to go home today? He should, so long as he remains. But if you get up there and be like, if you get up there testifying and then we get into it and you start saying, I plead the fifth, we're going to be back here again. But if he says he don't recall to everything, he'll be okay. I'm not advising that. But so long as he answers the questions, that's fine. So long as I did these crimes, I'm telling you that. Okay, I don't know what you were talking about, but I think you are saying you want to get up there on the stand and say something. Did we find out if he could talk to his family? No? I mean, if it's okay, we got the sister's phone number. As my attorney, you gotta if y'all want to talk, let me go somewhere. I can't hear you. The judge is over there, so just speak low so he doesn't hear you.
Hold on. Okay, all right. Mr. Copeland, have you had an opportunity to talk with Ms. Bumpus, your lawyer, and Ms. Hilton, the state's counsel? Have you got any other questions?
No, Your Honor.
Is it your desire to give testimony today?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right, then. Do you all have some clothes for him?
I don't know. Let me go take a look. What size are you? I can't hear you. And what size are you? Little. You had a jacket for him? Oh, but he can't wear a large?
What is your waist size? 34?
32.
Chest. What are you, 34? 34, 36 chest?
Probably 36. Not in my chest. What you mean?
Size. They are going to try to get you some clothes so you don't have to testify wearing that jail uniform, okay?
Y'all don't want to show the people how y'all did me?
Look,
If we can't find clothes, then you may have until tomorrow. I prefer to go in like this. Nah, don't hide it. Can you make him put on clothes? No. I want to go in there like this. Fine, with me.
all right, okay.
Y'all aren't going to try and lock me back up for this? So long as you testify, we will get an order to get you released today.
Whose copy is this?
You've got to make sure you come back now. I want to be real clear. When have I ever ran? You have not. That's the only thing. You have not.
Whose copy is this?
That was ours. Do you want a copy? You can take it, though. It's okay. You still have yours, or you threw it away? I'm going to give him both of these things so he can have some information. Okay.
Are we done?
Yes, I believe so.
Okay, we're good. See everybody downstairs in about 10 minutes.
He's a rat. But goddamn it, he's an entertaining rat. He got Master Splinter beat, and what he's doing is throwing the DA off their mojo.
Well, yeah, I guess there was a secret meeting that happened.
That's gonna be the mistrial.
between Woody and the judge and the prosecutors.
If that happened, everything that judge has touched is gonna be scrutinized now, right? They'll go mistrial before they let that thing go all the way. Convict Thug and give him that door of appeal.
Yeah.
But when they mistrial, it's a good and bad thing because it's good because, okay, Thug didn't find you guilty, but it's bad because now we're going to be dealing with this till 2026. And Thug's attorney, listen, say what you want. Dude he was gangster with that situation.
Oh, yeah, he said that he wants to do his jail time with Thug in a cell
Straight
to go
up,
over the
that's
case. Oh, yeah, he has a long
He
list
said,
of
he
people.
said I'll do the time as long as you put me in there with my client. Everybody gonna hire him.
Oh, yeah, no, he's got $1 million offers, I'm sure, already.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
I'm so high right now, y'all. I'm about to go to sleep on y'all ass.